Hello, everyone, and welcome to English.ma. My name is Momina, and I am an English teacher. This channel is for everyone who wants to learn English by listening to slow and clear English. In every video, I will speak slowly and I will use easy words so you can understand and learn without stress. Listening is a very important skill in English, and when you listen slowly, you can improve your understanding, your pronunciation, and your speaking. So, if you want to enjoy English and feel confident when you listen, so you are in the right place. Let's begin today's lesson. 5 simple tips to understand English speakers. 1. Don't try to understand every word. Native speakers speak fast. That's normal. Focus on the main idea, not every single word. You don't need to understand 100% to get the message. 2. Listen for keywords. For example, I was walking downtown when something weird happened. Here, you don't need all the details. Just catch the keywords. Walking, downtown, weird, happened. This way, you don't need to remember the exact phrasing, just the important pieces of information. 3. Use slow, clear English videos. Start with beginner-friendly content, like this channel, or try slow English podcasts, beginner stories, subtitled shows. 4. Repeat the same video multiple times. First, watch without subtitles. Then, watch with subtitles. Then, pause and try to say the sentences yourself. 5. Practice every day. Just 10 minutes. Listening is a skill. You don't need hours. Just 10 minutes a day with real English can change your level fast. So now, you know 5 simple tips to understand fast English speakers. I will always speak slowly on this channel so you can feel comfortable. Try the tips today and tell me in the comments which tip will you try first. Listening practice. A day in the life of Adam. Adam's day. A simple daily routine. Hello again. Now, let's listen to a short and simple story. The story is about a man named Adam. Adam works in an office. Let's learn about his daily routine. Adam wakes up At 7 in the morning, he opens his eyes, stretches his arms, and gets out of bed. First, he goes to the bathroom. He washes his face with cold water. Then he brushes his teeth and takes a quick shower. After that, he gets dressed. Today, he wears a blue shirt and black pants. At 7:30, Adam goes to the kitchen. He makes a simple breakfast. He eats toast and eggs and drinks a cup of tea. At 8, he leaves his house and walks to the bus stop. The bus comes at 8:10. Adam takes the bus to work. He arrives at the office at 8:45. He says good morning to his coworkers. Then he starts his work. He works on a computer and answers emails. At 12:30, Adam takes a break for lunch. He eats lunch with his friend Sarah. Today they eat chicken and rice. After lunch, Adam continues working. He joins 2 meetings and finishes some reports. At 5, his workday is finished. He takes the bus home again. When he gets home, he changes into comfortable clothes. Then he watches TV for a little while. He likes watching cooking shows. At 7, he eats dinner. He eats pasta with vegetables and drink water. Later, he reads a book for 20 minutes. Then he brushes his teeth, washes his face, and gets ready for bed. At 10, Adam goes to sleep. He is tired but happy. Tomorrow is a new day. So great job listening. You can pause this video and listen again. Try to repeat some sentences with me. Listening to simple stories helps you learn new words, sentence structure, and natural rhythm. Would you like more stories like this? Let me know in the comments.